A tree with the resin used in the manufacture of perfume, incense, paints, varnishes, candles, and torches. What a fantastic tree this is. Introducing pagsahingin, Canarium asperum of the family Borseraceae. The species name asperum is a Latin term that means with a rough texture, referring to the leaves of the tree. Pagsahingin is a large, deciduous, slow-growing tree that produces a fragrant resin locally called sahing. Its wood is commonly used for house construction and furniture, agricultural tools, and toys. It is also suitable for internal use as general utility timber for planking, cladding, flooring, furniture, packing cases, pallets, and general carpentry work. The resin obtained from the tree is used to manufacture perfume, incense, paints, varnishes, candles, and torches. It is also used as fuel and for lighting and as a cooking material for canoes. The resin is also used for aromatherapy. The resin obtained from Canarium asperum is called Manila elemi. The word comes from the Latin elemi, derived from the Arabic phrase al-lami, meaning above and below, referring to its usage as a curative compound in ancient European cultures. In the simple world of perfumes, it is a spicy top heart note with peppery, lemony, and incense-like facets used to bring freshness to fragrances, just like autoportrait. Manila ilimi is a soft, fragrant resin obtained from the trunk of Canarium species. In the Philippines, there are three Canarium species known as sources of Manila ilimi: Canarium ovatum, Canarium luzonicum, and Canarium asperum. Canarium asperum was used by Atenegreto women in treating postpartum related headaches when its bark resin is administered either in aromatherapy or taken as a decoction. This is marks caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.